Nobody expected Toyota to do this. And honestly, nobody expected it to look this good. This is the 2026 Toyota Corona, a name that disappeared from the market for decades, and Toyota just brought it back. New body, new tech, completely different energy from anything they've built before. So today we're going through everything: the design, every angle, what's inside, what's under the hood, and whether this car is actually worth your attention in 2026. Let's start outside, because the moment you see this car, something feels different. The color is this deep steel blue metallic, and depending on the light, it almost shifts toward navy. Clean, quiet, and incredibly premium looking for a car at this price point. Not flashy, not trying to grab your attention by screaming. It just looks expensive the moment you walk past it. The front is where Toyota made a statement. There's a wide vertical grille, tall chrome slats running top to bottom like organ pipes, with the Toyota badge sitting dead center.
Above the grille, slim LED headlights curve upward at the outer edge, forming a sharp angle at each corner. It's elegant but sharp at the same time, the kind of front end that looks better every time you look at it. From the front top view, you can see just how wide and long the hood stretches. Clean, flat, no unnecessary vents or creases. And right in the middle of the roof sits a panoramic sunroof that covers almost the entire top of the car, front to back, glass everywhere. The side profile is a proper four-door sedan, 4 real doors, properly sized. The roofline slopes gently from the A-pillar all the way back. Not aggressive, not flat, just a smooth, natural arc that ends cleanly into the trunk. The body itself is almost sculpture-like in how clean it is. Barely any character lines, no sharp creases trying to add fake drama, just smooth, flowing body panels. In the wheels, silver, fine multi-spoke mesh rims sit inside the arches with almost zero gap.
Very planted, very composed. Around the back, the taillights are shaped like narrow triangles on each side, pointing inward toward the Toyota badge in the center. When they light up, that full-width glow across the rear is genuinely one of the cleanest taillight designs on any sedan right now. The trunk lid is clean and slightly raised. No exhaust tips showing at the bumper, consistent with the hybrid setup. And those red brake calipers peeking through the wheels, that's not accidental. That's Toyota telling you this car has some bite behind that calm face. Now let's go inside, and this is where the Corona genuinely surprises you. The entire interior is done in full dark navy blue leather. Not black, navy. Seats, door panels, dashboard, everything. It wraps the whole cabin in this rich, deep color that feels more like a luxury lounge than a family sedan. Combined with the panoramic roof letting light pour in from above, the inside of this car feels genuinely special.
The dashboard is wide, flat, and clean. A single, standalone infotainment touchscreen, around 10 to 12 inches, sits upright in the center of the dash. Not a curved widescreen, not a massive tablet bolted to the center. Just a clean, proportionate screen that fits the dashboard without dominating it. On the driver's side, a separate digital instrument cluster sits behind the steering wheel. The steering wheel is round, classic, clean, Toyota badge center, with controls on both sides for audio and cruise. Nothing fancy, nothing confusing. Everything exactly where you'd expect it. The center console is raised high between the two front seats, gear shifter standing upright, a real physical tug-to-shift lever, 2 cup holders, physical climate control buttons below the screen, so you never need to swipe through a menu just to turn on the AC. There's a chrome effect horizontal trim strip that runs the full width of the dashboard. It ties the whole interior together and adds that premium touch without being over the top. The back seats are where families will care the most. 3 full seats, navy leather throughout, fold-down center armrest with cup holders built in. AC vents mounted on the back of the center console. Rear passengers get their own airflow. Real legroom. This isn't a car where the back seat is an afterthought. Now, under the hood. The 2026 Toyota Corona comes with a 2.5-liter inline-4 hybrid powertrain, Toyota's proven TNGA platform, producing around 180 combined horsepower in the standard hybrid setup. The transmission is a CVT, smooth and linear in everyday driving. Front-wheel drive is standard, with E4 electric all-wheel drive available on higher trims.
Fuel efficiency sits around 23 to 25 kilometers per liter in real-world mixed driving, one of the best numbers in the mid-size sedan class. Practically speaking, you can drive from Jakarta to Yogyakarta and barely think about stopping for fuel. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard: automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and radar-based pre-collision warning.
There's also a 360-degree camera system on higher trims, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Pricing is expected to start around $28,000 to $32,000 USD, depending on trim and market. For a full hybrid, panoramic roof, full leather interior, and this design, that is a strong package. The 2026 Toyota Corona is not trying to be exciting in an obvious way. It doesn't have a turbo badge on the fender. It doesn't have a fake diffuser on the rear bumper. It just shows up looking like it costs more than it does, drives cleaner than almost anything in its class, and wraps you in an interior that feels genuinely thoughtful. Toyota brought back the Corona name, and they brought it back right.